Hello and welcome to the Opal Shop. Here I've got a parcel with a couple of Boulder Opals. So the first one here, a bit smaller. We've got this lovely streak of blue coming through. This stone has been wetted, so as you can see, to highlight the opal colours from it. Here's the side, not much to it, just a boulder, back, and the side. And here's the facing of the opal, where most of its colours are, features are. Both those stones have been reshaped, but once again, you can repurpose them, recut them, in order to produce whatever you like from those lovely opals. And this is stone number 2. Hopefully I can bring it as close and you can see it's lovely shining rainbow style colours. Got a little bit of red to it as well. You can see when I tilt it over. And most of them are shades of blue and green, as it normally is. The white is light reflection, so ignore it please and sorry. Otherwise, this is boulder number 2. So back of it, so it's been reshaped and actually feels quite smooth. And this is a sign of it, a little bit of ramification, but nothing much. Most of it's facing this way. And this is it for our parcel of 2 Boulder Opals. Thanks for watching and have a lovely one.